Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make soufflé potatoes. First, select starchy potatoes such as russets, as they yield the best texture for this dish. Next, slice your potatoes very uniformly, aiming for a thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. Consistency is key for even cooking and puffing. After slicing, rinse the potato pieces thoroughly under cold water to remove excess starch. This step is crucial for achieving that signature airy interior. Now, let's move on to the frying process. You'll need to perform a double fry for perfect soufflé potatoes. Begin by frying the potato slices in oil heated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry them until they are soft and pale, but not browned. Once cooked, carefully remove the potatoes from the oil and drain them well. Allow them to cool completely before proceeding to the second fry. This cooling period is essential for the potatoes to puff up properly. For the magical soufflé effect, return your completely cooled potatoes to the hot oil, now heated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Watch closely as the potatoes begin to puff up, creating their hollow centers. Continue frying until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are crispy. Once perfectly puffed and golden, remove them from the oil and drain any excess. Season them immediately with salt, while they are still warm to ensure the seasoning adheres well. To truly enjoy your homemade soufflé potatoes, serve them immediately after frying. Their delicate, airy texture is best experienced fresh and warm. These elegant potatoes make a fantastic accompaniment to a variety of dishes, especially a perfectly cooked steak or other roasted meats. They add a touch of sophistication to any meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.